How you guys doing? My name is J. Lucky Henry, and the company is UberSimple. We make the world's fastest checking system. All right. So we brought in a world-renowned user interface expert to test our product out, and this is the review we got. We got the thumbs up. Okay. So we got the thumbs up because this product is so simple to use, not only for the people using it, but for the event organizer. It's easy to set up, easy to pull out the bag, set up. As you can see, one person can attend that event. That event had over 100 people, and she was the only attendant to take care of everybody that walked in. The product is, well, you guys all use it today. So raise your hand if you thought it was kind of fun, right? Kind of fun experience? Now, raise your hand if you thought it was simple to use, right? And raise your hand if you thought it was fast, at least fast, right? So that's what we say. It's kind of fun, really simple, extremely fast, super fast to use, okay? If we lined up the 3 system screens that you guys saw today and had put 100 people in line who were pre-registered, we could do all 100 people in less than 5 minutes. One day we might talk to Chris and just try it out with you guys, just to show you that. So, a lot of people today, and I won't call anybody out, didn't register ahead of time. So they came in and they had to actually put their name in today. As you can see, we made it really simple. All you do is type in your first and last name, and you get the same badge that everybody else gets. So a lot of people were actually saying, this is great, because I won't say who. They said they had 4th grade handwriting, and they would be embarrassed to go around with a name badge. He's pointing himself out, but okay. They said that it would be embarrassed to walk around with a name badge that's different from everybody else. So our name badges are customizable. If you're the event organizer, you can change the way you put the logos on them, change where they're placed. And this is an event that we did before where we had a couple people design it this way. And you can put a lot of things, meal choices, you can put rows of people, attendance count. You can say, I'm number 102 to check in, I'm number 103, so people know where early birds are if you want to. Now, there's a lot of people in this room, standing room only. How many people want to take who wants to take a guess at how many people checked in tonight? It's a good guess. Anybody else want to take a guess? I know exactly how many people checked in tonight because I have the statistics, right? We can print this out on demand at any time during the event, and post-event we can export it back to the event organizer so they know exactly how many people checked in, how many of them were RSVP, how many of them it's their first time at the event, how many RSVPs it's their first time at an event, how many RSVPs didn't show. So you get a sense of if 300 people registered for my event, but only 170 show up consistently, now you can plan for that ahead of time and plan accordingly. Family, paying attention, I like it. 160 people checked in today. And we got a couple more people that walked in, I tallied them up, so we're at 169. So this system is, like I said, it's easy to set up, easy to go, but it's also turnkey. You can get the system and you can use it that day. You take your attendance list that you have today, import it via USB or Dropbox, and it works. It doesn't matter if you use Meetup, Eventbrite, Attend, MKTix, Google Forms, any CSV file will work. You import it to your database, and now you have it and it's ready to go. It doesn't matter if you say, I'm a nonprofit, this product might be too expensive for me. We have a way for you to afford it. Use your sponsors. You guys saw in the screen in the middle, we had 8 sponsors here today. You can get your sponsors to help you pay for the system so that you can afford it and use it at your events and organizations. Oh wait, there's more. We also use this at hotels, right, for local food and entertainment. Print off coupons, can get on share stand, right? If you want to use it in a corporate setting for internal meetings and things like that, you can use it. It doesn't need to print name tags every single time. It can really give you statistics on anything you want it to give you statistics on. So here's how we make money with it. We sell it. So to show up at an event, we sometimes charge businesses for the advertising space to be a sponsor at the event, and we show up and we do the attendance free of charge for somebody, and the advertiser will pay between $250,000 to $5,000 to be listed depending on how big the event is. Companies can buy it and use it as a donation to a nonprofit. So if you're a nonprofit and you have a sponsor, the sponsor can buy the system, donate it to you at the value of $2,500 so they get their donation, and they will brand it themselves, will put their logo everywhere. You won't be able to change it because they donated to you, but you have a free system now to give you all your attendance. And we sell it directly to any business networking organizations, any internal companies at $19.99 for one system set up. So my name is Jay Lucky Henry. I'm the CEO of UberSimple. If you have any questions, put a little German U in it. I don't know how you say that. Anybody speak German? So if you have any questions, you can tweet at us because I won't be taking them. Thank you. I'm just kidding. I like you taking in the back.
One of the images showed looked like a 2D barcode on the image. It was like a code of some kind.
A tweeted? You said a tweeted thing?
Is there a way to, like here, for example, all these people are interested in the businesses that are presenting with it. In a networking event, is there a way? Yeah, that.
Okay.
Center.
So he's asking about the QR code with the Twitter logo on it? Yes.
Can that be used to identify whoever it is that you're speaking to? Like, can you capture data or information about that person?
Yes, we can. What we use that for, that particular badge, was used for at an event. It was a summit event, so we had keynote speakers. The governor was there. So anytime the speaker changed, that tweet actually changed behind it. We call it speed tweet. So you pull out your phone, you scan that, and up came a preloaded tweet saying, "I'm now listening to Governor Duvall give his speech. # Sandbox Summit," and then you just hit tweet. So we changed that literally throughout the event. It was constantly changing to whoever the speaker was. So we can do a variety of things with it. Yes.
I know there's privacy issues and all that stuff. Some people might not want their personal information accessible, but in an event like this, it's a great way for them to collect, a list of the people that are here.
Definitely. He's asking about, he knows that there's a little bit of privacy issues, but at an event like this where people are coming to network, that would be a great way to allow people to see who's here, get a list of who's here. Definitely. So talk to the event organizers. If they want it, we can build it. Question in the back?
What's included in the system? Do you need to have internet connectivity when you're doing the output of your printing dynamically? And who are your competitors? Are they those vendors who are also providing badge systems?
Okay. So what comes in the system? Do you need internet connection? And who are our competitors? What comes in it? You get the bag that carries it. You get the printer, you get some labels, you get the software license so you can use it. That's one system. Second one is, do you need internet? No. It works offline, right? If the computer hosts its own local connection if you have more than one system. And so you do not need to connect to the outside world to get internet to use it. Who are our competitors? Paper. The system where people use and they put all the lead badges out, that is our competitors because people are scared to change or they say, I've been doing it like this. It works for me. I just lay them out and just let people pick it on their own. So that's really our competitors moving at because like we listed all the companies. We're compatible with their software. You get your event list from them and we work with them.
So what if you're hosting an event, someone's hosting an event where you actually have to show an ID? I mean, that would slow down the process. So is there any way somebody can scan the ID or something like that?
Okay. So I'm actually wearing this name badge and this name badge is compatible with the system that we show. I can walk up with this, it has my picture so you know it's me, and I could scan it and the name badge would print out instantly. So it would slow it down or speed it up maybe.
So you sell that as well with the package?
It does not come in the standard package. If an organization wanted this system, they have to talk to us, we can get it set up for them as well.
Excellent product. I'm a registration assistant. That's one of the things I do. So I actually facilitate, what people doing here tonight, I help people check in when we go to conventions or trade shows, things like that. And I'm sure you built this in, but I just want to make sure because I punched my name in on the screen this evening. So, but one of the things we do to expedite a check-in is the simple, like a phone, your phone app, a phone check-in. So you incorporated that also into your product.
Our product actually started on the phone. We were going for the phone, then we went to the tablets, then we went to laptops, and we went all the way up to this big screen. For several reasons. Not everybody remembers to bring their phone sometimes. Sometimes your phone dies. Sometimes you don't have internet connection, which we all experience today. So we said, the one thing that's universal, everybody can do is walk up and spell their name, hopefully. So with that in mind, we wanted to keep it simple and really make it the fastest system that anybody could use. So we talented it that way. We have the ability, though, to work with mobile technology integrated. Thank you. Good question.
Any plans to embed RFID or
Yes, this card is NFC embedded.
Oh, it's.
Yep. No problem. I didn't say it exactly how it is. We got 20 seconds. Anybody other questions? Josh?
When did you become CEO?
I woke up one day and yeah, no, I've been working with Brad Durbin. He's our COO. He's in the back. I've been working with Brad for going on 2 years now, and we met and there was a lot of synergy between the two companies we were running, and we merged them, and now we are running UberSimple full time. Thank you.
Come join New England's largest technology meetup, sponsor an event, present, or attend. Visit www.bostonnewtech.org.